Hello everyone! Welcome again sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Today is Sunday morning. So, di ko alam kailan ito palalabasin, but we're shooting it on a Sunday morning. Kasi may in-invite ulit yung husband ko. So, it's now 8 o'clock something. Darating sila ng 10. Brunch, parang breakfast. So, I wanted to prepare something quick. So, i-share ko lang, hindi siya pang diet. Actually, Sunday naman, pwedeng comfort food. So, we're making glazed spam on kimchi rice. Tapos, meron pa kami natin ng basil leaves. So, I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of basil leaves, tapos a little bit of nori paper. Para, pagdating, lalagay ko lang dito, lalagay ko lang sa table, tapos kahit ibang oras sila dumarating, they can just pick up and go. So, para mas madali. So, let's cook! This is the spam. Very fatty. Han, can you open this? Can you open it? I cannot open it. So, tip number 1, kung di mo kaya open, tawagin ng asawa. Okay. What did I do? Oh.
Mali eh. Teka.
Oh, gosh.
Yan mo eh, parang bibigay.
Na-open niya na. So, anyway, so this is the spam. Tissue ko lang ha, may konting liquid. You can see all the salt. Para lang equal. I guess 10 people are eating here, so I'm using 2 cans of spam para lang dun sa mga kukuha ng ideas. Later on, pwede ka gumawa ng spam fries as ilagay mo siya sa loob. So, it's something that you can keep or pwede gamitin pang tanim. Kasi if titingnan niyo yung can, may protective coating. So, that's actually, it can last long. Somebody's excited with this. So, I will do it again para lang pantay. So, very easy to do. Optional naman yung pesto. Kasi di ba maanghang yung kimchi. So, I wanted to just create a little bit of a sweet pesto. Kung ayaw nyo, pwede rin just a normal glaze. Di ba? Parang a soy sauce glaze na matamis. Pwede rin. Para lang to break the spice. So, yan siya. Tatabi ko muna yan. And then, hindi ako ganun kagaling. It's a store-bought kimchi. Okay? So, we're just making the rice. Very easy. Ito talaga yung pangbahay ko. Sunday. Lazy Sunday. Okay ba yung duster ko? So, ito i-chop-chop ko lang. Kasi malaki siya. So, this is store-bought. Nag-aabang na nito. You know? Naaabang ang food. Doesn't have to be parang pantay-pantay. Tapos kanina, I made brown rice. Pero pwedeng white rice. Since we don't really have white rice sa bahay namin. So it's brown rice. White rice. Right now, gagawa lang ako ng 2 pan. One is to cook the kimchi rice. And while I'm cooking the kimchi rice, i-fry ko na yung glazed spam. Ano tayo? Multitasking na naka-duster. Okay, ganun yung ating peg. May reliable wok. And then, yan, para marami. This one, very handy. I bought this. So, used oil, bubuhos nyo lang. Isi-stray niya. At least you can reuse it. Diba? Hindi yung parang bagong oil every time. So, I try to reuse the oil. There you go. See? Hanggang 3 use pwede pa. Sayang naman. Mahal. And then, you can use brown sugar, golden sugar, or white sugar. It's up to you. So, we're just setting it up here. Very easy. Such a simple dish. So, you just cover all surfaces with sugar. Basically. Ganun lang siya kadali. Tapos, i-fry mo na. Yun lang. Tapos, ito-top mo sa kimchi rice. Baka may magpalit yung title ng dish na to. May basil pa kami sa ref. Kasi galing sa tanim, kakaulan lang. So, medyo dumami. So, we had to pick it para hindi sayang. Nasa ref. So, sana may natira pa. So, simple lang, di ba? From healthy fish the whole week, na halos no karne, talagang happy Sunday kasi yung ulam. Today pala, promise namin yung guest, lulutuin ko yung feature nating recipe before, yung eggs na nasa cream. So that's what we're doing today. So yun ang promise namin sa kanila. Doesn't have to be heavily coated with sugar. Ayaw mo rin naman yun. Diba? Baka mamaya magmukha na siyang banana cube. So, hindi naman ganon. Oh, is there any reason I sliced it this way? No particular reason. Only because ilalagay ko siya sa chafing dish. So, I wanted it a little bit chunky. But, let's say, dalawa lang kami kakain, I would have probably sliced it parang French fries style. But since buffet siya, so I wanted it chunky para lang, di ba, parang naka-pre-portion. Very easy. Tapos, kahit kunyari mag-cool down, hindi masyadong ganun kainit. Let's say, mga, di ba, kung walang chafing dish, okay na. Then, o-on ko na to. So, we can start cooking the kimchi. Oil. Just onions and garlic, chopped. But what will really give it taste, really, is the kimchi. Just sauteing it. And then, double duty. At the same time, iniikot ko na rin to. That's why kanina drenay natin kasi baka mamaya mahalo yung liquid sa oil. Okay, so this has been sauteing for about a minute and a half. You don't want to burn or golden the garlic. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the kimchi. Daming kimchi. Kasi we're making 2 half chafing dish. Kasi feeling ko, medyo malakas kumain natin yung darating. And this is the favorite of our favorite customer. So, kailangan medyo marami yung portion. There. So, we're just sauteing it. Low fire. High fire to ng konti ng spam. We're just gonna let it cook for about a minute. And then we're gonna add the brown rice. But your choice, pwede kayo mag-white rice. It's really entirely up to you. But I just wanted brown rice, no texture. So this is cooking. We're just glazing it until it becomes a little bit crispy. We let the spam. You can do this also kung feeling mo kulang, naka-oil. I-coat mo ulit para ma-sugar talaga. Ginagawa ko to sa banana cue. But, in the middle of frying it, i-fry ko ulit sa sugar. You can do that also. So, just about 30 more seconds. Naamoy mo na siya. So, now, ito pala, para mabango yung rice, inagyan ko ng dahon ng kaifir lime leaves or pwedeng dahon ng kalamansi. Secret namin. Para mabango yung kanin parate. So, I'm gonna add some more. Yeah. Tapos, para masarap, I'm gonna add butter. Butter and spam. Cholesterol. Let's get it on. Yan na siya. Sayang naman eh. Naka-break ka na eh. Tuloy-tuloy na natin. Diba? So, butter. So, I also wanted to add butter para it adds a little bit of moisture doon sa kimchi rice. Diba? We don't want it to be so dry kasi you have to remember, ilalagay natin sa chafing dish. Kasi we don't know anong oras darating yung guest. Pwede silang dumating an hour from now or 2 hours. So, by the time dumating sila, baka may sobrang dry na yung rice. So, it's also my tip for those na nagluluto ng pasta, tapos maramihan. Kailangan, kunyari when you cook spaghetti, dapat medyo mabasa-basa. Para by the time dumating ang guest, nandun pa rin yung sauce, hindi sobrang tuyong-tuyo. Okay. So, here you go. So, here, just making it moist. So, as you can see, it's well mixed already. Ganoon lang kabilis itong kimchi fried rice na ito. Look at how moist it looks. Because of the butter. Now, hold on. We transfer it here. We divide ko into 2. Because I feel medyo malakas kumain. Ito po siya makamda. See this? Nice. So now, look at that. We want it like that. A little bit caramelized. So, lalaksan ko yung fire niyan. Para tamang-tama. Itatop ko sa kimchi rice. I put it here para it stays hot. On top of my stove. Before putting it sa chafing dish. So, Tinasan ko yung fire because we wanted caramelized. And diretso from the pan, ilalagay ko sa taas. Yun. Diba, kaya ko sinasabi, I wanted it to do it chunky. Para when you scoop it out. Versus yung parang French fries style. So you can do it. Parang ito, at least naka parang pre-portion. Oops, that's a guide. We will do the basil. Basil. Garlic. Just gonna get sugar a little bit. Para as a break. Then oil. Canola oil, pwede rin. That's it. Then I'm gonna cheat. I'm just gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise. Para maganda yung texture. Very unconventional, but since it's kind of Asian, so I put Japanese mayonnaise. Divide lang natin tong spam, glazed spam. I think it's all fully cooked. Nice, diba? Pwede nga, kunyari para sa family, kung hindi buffet style, pwede naka-bowl. There we go. And then we're just going to... So we just want to actually puree the basil para pang topping. Mahirap kasi konti. Ayan, nagiging green na siya. Let me just put a little bit more of mayonnaise. I want it thicker. Yung texture. You can use ordinary mayonnaise if you wish, but I want the Japanese mayonnaise. There, para siyang person mayonnaise. Kasi gano'n lang siya kakonti. Napaka-extra lang yan. Parang sporting actor lang talaga siya. So, pero effort tayo dyan. Ganun talaga sa pagluluto. Maraming supporting actor. And then, just add more meat. There. Sesame seeds na. Okay, it's ready. Honey, it's ready. Kimchi, fried rice with glazed spam. Yummy. Time to eat.
Tikman natin itong spam, kimchi, fried rice.
Diba it's your favorite?
Yeah, I love this. It's good. Tikman ko na agad-agad.
Bago dumating yung guest.
Oh, habang wala akong bisita, una na ako. Tikman ko na kung saan. Gusto ko spam.
Oh, laki. The bite.
Sarap, mainit pa. Very good. Glazed spam. Very good.
Ang masasabi ko lang, it's wow. Napaka-potent ng wow. Napaka-potent ng flavor. That's all I can say. Yung nagluto ay future maging certified executive chef ng American Culinary Federation. Keep it up, ha? No.